Staying at the Park MGM for 4 nights, and here's a standard size room with 1 king bed. Bathrooms looking pretty good in here. This building's been renovated pretty recently, so it's not too bad. Nice and roomy in here. You got your closet actually is hidden right behind the door to the bathroom. So lots of room there. You got your safe, you got this cabinet with some drawers on it, and take you into the bedroom. Nice full body mirror there. You got a decent sized TV, nice king bed, as well as a nice little table and seating area. So if you have some traveling with some people, you can just easily do that. And we're on the 26th floor, I believe. Got a nice room with the view of the strip. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the room, so have a good one.